Hey everyone, in this video, I'll demonstrate how to place video inside text in CapCut on PC. Let's use this video as an example. Now, let's add the video to the timeline. After that, add the text on the video and adjust the duration of the text to match the video duration. Write whatever you desire. Then change the font. Turn off the linkage and drag the video up onto the text like this. Next, select the video and navigate to the left. Ensure you're in the Video Basics section, then scroll down until you see the Blend option. Click on Default and select the last option called Multiply. There you go. You can see the effect we've created. You can also adjust the size and position of the video as well as the text. That's how you can place video inside text in CapCut on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.